Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure that you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. You'll also want to have your replacement battery on hand. Make sure it's compatible with your Lenovo X1 14 model. First, power off your laptop completely. Disconnect the power adapter and any peripherals connected to the device. It's crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your Lenovo X1 14. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them to reattach the back panel later. There are typically around 6 to 8 screws, depending on your specific model. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you can now see the battery. It is usually secured by additional screws or clips. If your model has screws, remove them with the Phillips screwdriver. If your battery is clipped in, gently unclip it. Now, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is typically a small connector that can be pulled out gently. If you encounter resistance, double-check that there are no additional screws holding it in place. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you decide to skip this DIY approach. With the old battery removed, take a moment to clean the interior of your laptop using the microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate and affect performance, so this step is beneficial for your device's health. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it properly with the connector and gently press it into place. If your battery has screws, secure it back down using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure it's tightly fitted, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the battery. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's secure. Once everything is in place, reattach the back panel of your Lenovo X1 14. Align the clips and press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's locked in place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. This is an essential step to ensure the laptop remains intact and functions properly. Finally, power on your Lenovo X1 14. If the laptop boots up successfully, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, so no calls or travel are necessary. Before finalizing your battery replacement, it's a good idea to run a battery calibration. This will help your operating system accurately gauge the new battery's capacity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the battery on your Lenovo X1 14. If you'd like to ensure a hassle-free experience in the future, consider our quote before repair service, which can save you time and stress with any future issues. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.